The Jewish people have always valued education, but at what cost? Why do Jewish communities all around the world struggle to afford yeshiva day school education? In 2013, WTA's founders set out on an invaluable mission to offer an excellent Jewish education at an affordable price. After researching education around the world, it was clear that the most successful approach was to individualize the learning. Our model allows us to reach each individual student so that no child is too challenged or not challenged enough.
When I first heard about the model, it sounded too good to be true. Watching the school in action, the dedicated staff and parents, their strong vision and values, made it clear to me that this school is unique. WTA is a school that reaches each child in a powerful way and has changed what it means to offer an excellent Jewish education in today's world. Every teacher and administrator in our family is inspired by our mission. It is not a job, it is a calling.
Early last year, we broke ground on a beautiful 8-acre property in New Rochelle. Our new school building will be a physical space for our students to learn and grow. But more than that, our new school building will be the home of our movement, providing a cutting-edge and meaningful Jewish day school education at an affordable price. When we set out on the mission to open an affordable Jewish day school, we never thought that 8 years later we would have accomplished everything we have to this day. A school that began with just 60 students has grown to over 200. This year, we will graduate our first 8th grade class, and we are amazed with all they have accomplished. As they leave our halls, we know they are prepared with the knowledge and skills to be successful in any way they choose. But perhaps more important are the values that live inside them, values that have guided us through this journey and are truly at the core of everything we do, as a school and as a community. Ahavat Torah, instilling a deep-rooted love of Torah and Yahadut in our children and realizing that each moment is a teachable moment guided by our Mesorah. Hakol B'Simcha, approaching each new day with a sense of joy and wonder, viewing each challenge as a true opportunity and a chance to collaborate and create. Anava. Without a sense of humility and modesty, we limit our ability to grow and appreciate. At WTA, we nurture children who will enter the world with a great sense of purpose, while recognizing how they've reached that point. Mitsuyanut Atzmit. Today will not look like tomorrow, because each moment we're learning more and doing more. This doesn't mean we don't fail, but we don't give up either. Excellence is not a destination, it's a mindset. These values are the pillars of our school. They support every educational, professional, and financial decision we make. It's thanks to these values that our students and teachers have exhibited so much resilience and success. Where others struggled to provide learning during this time, our students and teachers transitioned almost seamlessly. Where others have vast resources and nearly endless funds, we proudly and successfully work within our means. And where others will continue to provide an excellent education, we will continue to provide an excellent education at less than half the cost. Our mission is clear. Make excellent Jewish education widespread and affordable. Our values are powerful. They are what will make our future as a Jewish people successful and sustainable. We invite you to join our movement, to provide your child with the best education and equip them with the values that matter most. In today's world, can you afford not to?